Good evening, everyone. It's a rainy evening here in the Philippines, and I am about to go to sleep. But naisip ko na mag-share na sa inyo ng isang tip in order for you to be able to attract love. Okay, this is a secret of a pink candle. So there are different colors of candles, and there is a specific color that can attract love. So the color of that candle is pink. So pink candle, this is about a pink candle love spell. So marami sa atin ay umaasa na makahanap ng pagmamahal at mamahalin ng taong gusto natin. So yung iba na medyo siguro nawala ng pag-asa kasi medyo matagal na sila naghihintay ng pagmamahal pero hindi pa rin dumarating sa kanila. So why not try this simple love spell? Baka may tutulong ito sa inyo. Kasi hindi ko pa ito nasubukan pero marami akong naririnig na totoo daw ito. So why not try this one? So I'll share with you this. So are you searching for a simple spell that will require simple ingredients? The pink candle that I mentioned a while ago, this pink candle love spell can be a great option for you. You need to prepare a pink candle, a clean piece of paper, and a pen. So tatlong materialis ang kailangan nyong i-prepare. The first one is a pink candle, isa lang, a clean piece of paper, and a pen. Find the right place where you know that you will not get distracted. Yung talagang yung sa kwarto mo na wala kang kasama, walang noises, para maistorbo ka. So kailangan hindi ka maistorbo. So clear your thoughts and make sure to remove the negativity from your mind. So kailangan mong i-clean yung pag-iisip mo para malinis ang iyong pag-iisip. Clear your thoughts and make sure to remove the negativity from your mind. If you are still harboring negative emotions and thinking of negative thoughts, you need to meditate first. So whatever you are thinking negatively about the past or other people who hurt you, kailangan mo yung kalimutan mo muna. So you have to meditate first. Once you are sure that your mind is clear, that is the time when you can proceed. Ensure that you will remove all the negativity from your mind so that you can begin with the love spell. So the first thing that you will have to do is you have to prepare your pink candle and make sure that you will light it on Friday. So you will do this one every Friday for 9 consecutive nights. Number 2, write the first name and the last name of the person on a piece of white paper. So yung mahal mo na gusto mong mahalin ka, isulat mo yung pangalan niya at saka yung apelyido on a clean piece of paper. Kahit ng paper, okay na yun. Then, the third one is you have to place a circle around your name and the name of your target. So that is the person that you are trying to get attracted to you. Okay. So number 4, close your eyes and start to envision that you are spending time with this person. You need to think about possible scenarios where you know that you can be together. The more vivid you imagine scenes are, the better. So isipin mo yung mga times na nagkasama kayo ng target mo, yung gusto mo. Okay, so fifth is you need to repeat the right incantation 3 times. You can use the standard incantation, or you may seek the help of a spellcaster to create a personalized incantation for you. So kailangan mayroon kang sasabihin na para ma-attract yung lalaki sa iyo. Okay, number 6 is once you are done, you can watch the candle until it completely burns out. Yung basta hintayin mo na maubos yung candle, no? So make sure that the flame is already extinguished before you leave it. Ibig sabihin na before ka umalis, kailangan patay na yung usok, yung apoy, ay ano ba yan? Yung, yes, the flame is already extinguished before you leave it. You cannot blow the candle out because this will make the spell ineffective. So, hayaan mo lang siya maupos yung kalayo or maubos yung kalayo hanggang sa mamatay ito. So, number 7, if you want to make the spell more effective, you can invest in using a bigger pink candle. You are going to use the same candle when you do the spell for 9 consecutive nights. So, siyam na araw at siyam na gabi na gagawin ito. Anytime sa gabi, basta gawin mo lang sa gabi. So remember that it's important to follow the instructions given to complete the spell. And the better that you can do the spell, the higher the chances that this is the right spell to make someone fall in love with you. So I haven't done this one, but I'm just sharing this to all of you so that again, I'm thinking you might be interested in doing this. So good luck. Thank you.